If your Google Chrome is not working, here are all the steps that you need to do to fix it. First of all, you probably have a lot of favorites and passwords saved in Google Chrome. Let's say you can open it, but something doesn't work, like some websites or maybe some issues with your profile. And even if you're logged in here, what you have to do is to export your passwords and favorites. So first you click on these three dots, and let's start with the bookmarks or favorites. Press on Bookmark Manager, press on three dots again, export bookmarks, and choose whatever location you want to choose. Press save. And similar for passwords, Google Password Manager. And then I don't have any passwords here, but let's see if we can see how to export them. Here, press on settings, and then you should be able to see export. Okay, I don't have any password saved, that's why I cannot save it. But you will be able to see it here, three dots here, and once you press on three dots instead of add, there will be three dots here. You will be able to press there and press export, and choose basically the same folder, and you're gonna export your passwords. So these are the two things, just to be sure that you are not gonna lose them. So let's see that you have exported your passwords and your favorites. You can close the Chrome, then open Task Manager or File Explorer and type in percent local app data percent, press enter, and here under Google you can see folder Chrome, and if you go further you can see user data and so on and so on. So basically you can just right click, you can either delete this folder or right click and rename, for example google.old or whatever. And now you reopen the Chrome, and it's creating, see, completely new Chrome profile. So you press sign in if you were signed in, and sign in with your Google account or whichever account you're using there. And if you open if you open the File Explorer again and type the same local app data, go under Google, and we can see it created completely new user data folder with all the new folders, new files, and new data. And this is and after you have done it, basically here you can choose the whichever you're gonna use as a search engine. And to import back, you have to press bookmarks, and here you will see import bookmarks and settings. And from instead of Internet Explorer, choose bookmarks from HTML file, choose file, choose bookmarks, press open, and that's it. You can also check show bookmarks bar. I don't have any favorites, but after you press done, it should be imported here. And the same for passwords. So once you press passwords, password manager, and add, not add, but select the CSV file, and you will have exported the CSV file, and it will show under the location where you have exported it, and then just choose it and press open, and that's it. And now you have completely fresh Google Chrome profile with the same passwords and the same favorites. And if this doesn't help, the next step would be to completely uninstall Chrome, download Google Chrome installation if you have Edge or whichever Brave or Mozilla or Opera, whichever browser you have. Just type for Google Chrome, download it, and install it. So these basically are the only things you can do. There are some other things, especially if you're working in a company environment. There are other things in the registry you can check, and other things. But these things I suggest you to check first.